Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I am doing a post review on the Craftibly canvas that I won through Instagram. Now I got this back a while ago. It was like right after Christmas, I think, and I'm just now doing it and then doing my post review on it. So first off, I just want to apologize in advance if you start hearing chirping, because the battery in the fire alarm here is going out, and that's what that noise is. So, sorry about that. Also, if you are just passing through, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I would love to have you join my channel. And to my subscribers that I already have, thank you for watching my videos and supporting my channel with your comments and your likes and everything, and I appreciate you. So, with that being said, let's get into the post review. So, this was a square, and it was a 30 by 50 or a 50 by 30, I think. Let's see. Where's the size? Oh, there it is. Yes, it was a 50 by 30. And it had 36 colors. They were all DMC charted. All the symbols and letters and numbers were very clear. The only issue that I did have were like here where the sand and the water and everything is, the colors, there was like 3 different colors, were just like one shade from the other, and those were really hard to take and see the difference in. So that was really the only issue that I had with this canvas. The symbol, the letter, number, clarity was great. The glue was really good. No issues with any of that. For the most part, the drills themselves were good. I had, let's see, this was my trash that I had, and as you can see, it's just a little bit, and it's really not a whole lot. And some of those are just, the drills are just stuck together. So, and this is my little trash tin from Mariah with Stash Junky. Mariah, that is with Crazy Diamonds. That's her YouTube logo. It's Crazy Diamonds. Anyway, I'll put a link in my description of her Etsy shop, because these are like really cool. Anyway, that's my trash that I had with this canvas. The drills, I had plenty of drills left. As you can see, they all came, this canvas, the drills came pre-bagged with the DMC number on it and the weight and everything. All I did was I went back and drew the symbols and the numbers and the letters on the tags, because that's how I do my kitten up, is I use the numbers, the letters, and the symbols. I don't go by the DMC numbers, and I don't do 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. So anyway, there was plenty of drills left, so no issues with running out of those. So that's good, because now I have leftovers that I can put in my spare storage for my drills. The only other thing that I was a little, I don't know, it's not bad. This was very confetti heavy. I mean, you can see that it was, sort of pixelated, but, heavy with the confetti. Especially, like, I'm going to bring y'all down a little bit. Like, down in here, where all the sand and the water, and then like in the tree branches and stuff. Very confetti heavy, so I was constantly switching out colors. Now the only thing that I was not real crazy about, and I think it would have made this picture pop a little bit more, other than the blue. I mean, the rest of the colors are kind of a little drab for my taste, but I think they should have made these like greens, like, you know, greens, instead of, you know, 310s and, you know, the browns and stuff, because it all just kind of blends in. But anyway, it's a pretty picture, and I really can't complain, and I'm not complaining. It was a free canvas because, like I said, I won it, and I've been very much wanting to try out the Craftibly, and I liked it. I have absolutely zero complaints about Craftibly. Very good canvas, very good quality of everything. And like I said, I won it on Instagram, and I still am not 100% sure how I did that. But anyway, it is what it is. So I just wanted to jump on here real quick and give you my overall impression of Craftibly. Very, very, very shiny, sparkly drills. It is very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. And I think once this is framed and hung up, it'll be even prettier. So anyway, that's all I got on that. And I just want to, like I said, jump on here real quick. It is a very short video, and just do a post review on it. So until my next video, y'all, I'll see all of y'all later. Bye, y'all.